I've got 66 on the road, 878,
Going in the back?
Yep.
83. That is all correct, and sweet and medic and a green light somewhere in that group is on course.
S90 green light on stage.
This is stop. I've got 3 cars for you. Car number 604, car number 40.
Oh, do you have a Z flash mod?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
It's a for the diode dynamics
Can you go through that list
relay.
again for me, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, do. 604, 407.
Is it just in your blinkers?
0 have all been.
Yeah.
Nice.
It replaces the factory relay.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
And then you just run a switch off the new relay?
No, you just pull the factory relay out, put theirs in.
Oh, so do you just hit your hazards and then? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
And it gave me the one-touch blinkers also.
Okay. I might have to do that.
I don't know. You have to see what they make for it.
Yeah.
I was surprised they had this for the 4Gen 4. S90 green light at mile 1.
I got car 369 minutes. Copy 369, yeah, finished.
Sign. 1.5.
They said they were leaving here. Oh, because there's a car. They're going to go. They know about it.
Where's the car?
They were
Oh, it's there.
pointing at something else. There's probably some car part. Oh, it's Karen. He doesn't have his lights on. So close to what? Oh.
You haven't quite gone past yet.
They used to run that way.
What's that?
They used to run through this way.
Oh, really?
There was one year I was positioned about 75 feet behind me.
That wasn't that long ago. That was just a few years ago,
How's it
right?
going, Sierra Mike?
18?
Start, this is stop. Car
Yeah,
number
okay.
878
Let's say,
has
when I
finished.
started coming here, they didn't have that hairpin.
Yeah.
Copy 8
I remember they took a left
has
and
finished.
Yep.
Try now. How's it going, Sierra Mike? Nothing? I don't know. Oh, I just picked yours up.
Yeah.
Uncle Mike?
Hey, Sierra Mike.
It's cold out there.
Yeah. What channel am I on?
We got 150.
There's one.
Oh,
Oh.
back up, Yanker.
I'll go help.
No,
No? Alright.
they should have fucking just yanked. She had the strap hooked up.
Yeah.
All they had to do was pull. Oh, they can't. That's why.
This is stop. Car 358 has finished.
Oh, they're still trying to compete?
Yeah. She's high center.
Okay, I copy.
Yeah.
358 has finished. Come on, Volvo, you can do it. Get on down there to finish. Safety Tube S98 continuing downstage.
Yep. Stuffed it up on the edge. Oh, she's
Oh, yeah.
deep in there.
No, that's not.
S90 green light continuing from 2.25. This section. Always bad.
Shit.
Stop quick for a moment.
.5.
Throw some dust.
Start, this is stop. 3 has finished. Very good. I copy. 3 has finished at 3:05. Have a great day.
Zero green light at mile 3.
Stop from Boyd Loop Stage Captain Houston Wedge up. Go for stop. We have cleared up the start area and I'm going to down rally stage direction. We have the workers working in front of me, clearing up the banner tapes and the stage. I'm trying to wait until green light. I'm sorry, confirm. I'm trying to wait until green light, man. SA9 continuing from sector POC. Yeah, I can get you on the HD from here as well. I just have to be in the truck now. That's 4.0.
Soft section. I remember this wrecking.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Green light, S90 at mile 4. There's a couple of sections that are really soft, like that one. Tired of dragging the brakes here.
SA9 country mile marker 3.0.
Soft section.
stopping at line finish.
Come on, land help. Nope.
Damn.
Continuing to stop control. This is Instructor 11 at mile 4.44. Has the green light passed us?
Green light is at 5.3. We have passed. W7 BSV.
Okay, thank you very much. 207, all 285. All on boys, safe, has arrived and has stopped control.
Oh, there's the motorcycles.
Be cautious, I've got dirt bikers on track, they're following S98 out. Ain't much we can do about it right now.
Still over right here.
Oh, yeah, I'm 4-wheel drive, not 2-wheel drive.
Route back to Raytop. Fly apart. You all right?
Green light is at stop. Stage is cold. Repeat, stage is cold. Have a great day. W7 BSV.